to the right, Justin Bieber.
So nothing too dramatic here. You've got the silver over there, leaving a bit late for his left turn change, straight across the soft white lines into the left turn, and we've got a red light for the left turn. And apparently that doesn't always apply to everybody. Here we go. Oblivious. And off he goes. Never mind. He got away with that today. And then next day, and we're sitting at the lights. We've got 2 right turn lanes into 2 right turn lanes. The light goes green. Silver car on the right there, straight across in front of the light. Good job somebody was paying attention. Oh well, it's the way it goes. Red light challenge for the day.
Hi, Dan. You're at work at a home station at State Line. Good afternoon. So, being December 1st today, came into effect CRTC regulations for
As they happen,
providers that give us
to keep up to date, and you never know, there could be something special up here. Like the channel, subscribe to it, and I'll bring you more clips. Sometimes they get dramatic, sometimes they don't.